Nobody wakes up and decides to run a marathon without training. If you do, you'll burn out by mile 5. Ramadan is a spiritual marathon. 30 days of fasting, standing in prayer, and discipline. If the first time you pray Taraweeh or fast is on day 1 of Ramadan, your body is going to go into shock. Shaban is our training ground. This is where we build the stamina so that when the month starts, we aren't just surviving, we're thriving. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said that the most beloved deeds to Allah are those that are most constant, even if they are small. In Shaban, the Prophet, peace be upon him, used to fast more than in any other month outside of Ramadan. Why? Because he was conditioning his soul. The training ground isn't about being perfect, it's about being prepared. It's about teaching your stomach to be patient and your eyes to stay awake for the word of Allah. We aren't looking for a spiritual peak today, we are looking for a spiritual habit that will carry us through the finish line. Here is your training schedule for the next few weeks. We are applying the 1% rule. The fast. Try to fast at least 1 day a week, Monday or Thursday. Get your body used to the feeling of hunger being replaced by spiritual focus. The night prayer. Set your alarm just 10 minutes before Fajr. Pray 2 units, raka'at, of Tahajjud, just 10 minutes. The Qur'an. Don't try to read a whole chapter yet. Read 1 page, but read it with your heart. Understand 1 verse. Train hard now so you can pray easy later. You've got the wake-up call, you've detoxed your heart, and now you're building the muscle. In episode 4, we're going to talk about the great simplification, how to cut the noise before the big month. Assalamu alaikum. See you in the next episode.